subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. Spoken English, Independence Day, English speech, 15th August, English speech. Let's begin. Very good morning to everyone present here. On 15th August 1947, India got its independence. Passed back in 1947 was on this day that India gained its independence from the United Kingdom and freed itself from the shackles of colonialism. With such toil and tyranny, India fought for its independence. For today, our mind is without fear and our heads are held high up in the sky. Not only did we free ourselves from colonialism, but we also rejuvenated our nation and brought India back with a revolution. Our leaders our leaders and their invaluable struggle to free India from the shackles of injustice had been an inspiration to all of us as an epitome of courage and bravery, the values and the practices that India holds in its ancient culture had been an example set for all of us. Just flashback and think of those times when mothers sacrificed their sons, where the country had blood marks engraved on its battlegrounds, where people sacrificed their families, where daughters lost their fathers, where wives were ruthlessly widowed, and where people couldn't hold their heads high, where people were forced to become slaves of the British, where people of India were treated as untouchables. India had been so vibrant, so united in itself, in spite of the fact that it has such a huge population and democracy, due to which India had spaced up itself in such a position that the whole universe looks back at India as a place where unity exists along with such diversity. India is known as a melting pot of cultures and traditions, and the people of India hold a shared equanimity in themselves which preserves humanity. India is an independent nation now, as the preamble of the Indian Constitution states itself as a sovereign, secular, and democratic country. It is within our responsibility that we uphold the pillars of virtues in India as a youth. On Independence Day, a huge ceremony is held at Rajpath, where the program is commenced with our Honorable Prime Minister's hoisting of the Indian tricolor. It is then followed by a national anthem, and tribute is paid to the country and its flag by firing 21 guns. The national anthem is played, and flowers were downpoured from the helicopter. A march past show is held, and the militants from all the forces put up the parade in schools. Programs are held by the students, and flag hoisting is also done. For years, our courageous heroes fought valiantly to ensure that future generations might live in freedom and dignity. Let's salute the sacrifices made by freedom fighters and soldiers who made us realize the dream of an independent and unified India. We pay tribute to the heroic personalities. Justice, liberty, unity, equity, and fraternity. May we have, may we weave a better future and embellish it with high hopes, growth, and positivity. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day once again. Goodbye for now. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Thanks for watching.